So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take his hands, fold them in like that right there, and take the leg, rotate it like that, then fold the foot in like that, right there. Take these panels, fold them out like that, right there. Take this, fold it up like that, extend or untab that like that right there. Take this, fold it out like that right there, like that. Take the legs, lift them up, then rotate it like this right here. Bend the legs in like this. Fold the wheels down. And everything's starting to come together, as you can see with the front. Just take this, tab it in. May need to cut away. Oh wait, never mind, I got it in there. Just tab all that together like that. Now we're gonna work on the back right there. Take these, fold them down like this. Same thing right there, fold that down. Then you can bend this up like that, then start tabbing this together. I may need to do it off camera though, because it's easier for me to see. There's tabs which you can tab that into, as you can. It's sort of hard to do that. Let me cut away real quick and do it. Okay, so I just got it tabbed in, then take the arms, tab them into here like this. Just see that? Then you just peg them in like that. Then take these panels, tab those in like this. If I can. No, I didn't tab it in right, I guess. Hold on 1 second. Okay, you tab that in. Sorry if you can't see this, but there we go. There we have Ratchet back in his vehicle mode.